What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? What's good? What's good? What's good, YouTube? Welcome back or welcome to another video, Shayla's World. If you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button and turn your post notifications on. What are you doing? While you're at it, hit that like button and comment something nice in the comment section down below. And let's get straight into this video. So as y'all see by the title, the only reason why you clicked on this video, today, the day that I post this video, August 16th, it is officially my 1 year anniversary on YouTube. I have been on YouTube for a full year now. If you want to see the first video I ever posted, it was the prank that I did on my aunt on her birthday, broke her TV prank on her birthday. It'll be in the iCards up above. But yeah, let's get straight into the video. So I was gonna bake a cake and do a sit down part, but that baking a cake ain't gonna happen. So I'm just gonna do a sit down part, and it's gonna be talking about my inspiration to start YouTube and why I started a YouTube channel. Let's get straight into it. I started a YouTube channel because I always knew I wanted to start a YouTube channel. A lot of people say that, but I just wanted to start a YouTube channel. Like when I was in 5th grade, I've always wanted to start one. I used to watch a lot of YouTubers that are now going to college or like about to graduate and stuff, like Leela, Princess J, Salami Imani, a few others, but that's a lot to name. You kind of get it. But I used to watch them and I was like, they have like their confidence in filming or their confidence in giving great advice to other younger teens or younger children any age was just great. And I was like, I want to be somebody that's going to be an inspiration to somebody else to do something that they want to do. So I want to inspire to aspire. Is that what it is? Or is I want to be an inspiration to aspire? I think it is. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, I just want to be an inspiration to others to do whatever you put your mind to, because I've always wanted to do YouTube, and I finally did last year, going 2020. I just said I was going to start a YouTube channel the first year of high school so I could see my growth. And I keep going until I die. I'll keep doing YouTube until I die. And I just want to see my growth each and every year and each and every day. So that was kind of a little bit of my inspiration. My inspo to start YouTube is when COVID started. I seen a lot of small YouTubers starting to post, and it was just great. It was like great content and everything. Their confidence level was great. Like I watch a lot of small YouTubers. A few that I got inspiration to start a YouTube channel from was Yazzie Carter. I mentioned her in a few other videos. Victoria Unique. And it was one more in Life with Barbie. She has some great advice, girl talk videos, stuff like that, which really got me into like, I'm officially gonna make this YouTube channel to inspire others to complete your dream in whatever aspect that is. So I just wanted to help others because a lot of YouTubers have helped me. I started YouTube because I just want to like be myself somewhere. It's like I couldn't be myself in school because you got a lot of kids that they don't like say bully. They're not bullies, but they say some negative things sometimes, and like you always don't want to hang with those people or something like that. But I was not in a grade. Last year was not a good year for me. I wouldn't say it was good, but it wasn't bad. It was bad, but it wasn't good either. It was so. So when I started, my mindset was kind of crazy. Not saying that I was like doing things that I wasn't supposed to do. It was just I didn't want to. I'm not gonna get into it, all into it. But I started YouTube to be myself, and it lets me whatever is going on in my world. the video, get it up, and watch people watch it. Like, even if it's a few people watching it and it's just one comment, I love to see that comment, I reply, all that. That is the enjoyment that I love to see. Like, people watching my video and really liking it. So I started a channel because I wish I can get in depth to it. I'm not gonna cry on this video. I'm just upset. I was going through some things in my mind that I did not want to talk about to anybody. So YouTube was kind of a place where I could set it aside for a quick minute and make somebody else happy at the same time, which gave me joy at the same time as well, when just at least one person watched my video and commented. Why do I seem like I want to cry? I'm not. So yeah, the inspiration, I started watching this person, I kind of mentioned her a latest video, Harmony S. She just has such a great vibe. She doesn't care. I feel like she's just a free person. Not free, I don't know what you call these people, but they're a great person. They're friendly and stuff like that. I don't know her like that. I've never even like really talked to her and all that, but she just seems like a great person. And her confidence on her YouTube channel and everything, that's just something. Like, I want to get better at YouTube, but right now it's okay. I just know there's gonna be a lot of growth at the end of high school year. I'll probably sit back and watch this video and be like, oh my goodness, I'm at 86 subscribers when I film this video, and I'll probably look back on this video and like, 86 subscribers? Girl, look how far you have made it. Because my goal for this year is just to hit 100 subscribers, and I will be so grateful if I hit 100 subscribers at the end of the year, because I know I have worked hard for it, and I have manifested what I wanted, and I have achieved it. So this is the end of this little video. I don't want to make it too long. I'm not even going to edit it. But I just want to say to anybody out there that wants to start a YouTube channel, or even not a YouTube channel, just want to do something that you don't see a lot of people doing, or do something that might seem unachievable, put your mind to it, work hard and smart for it, and manifest your dreams, and they will come true if you put forth the effort. Because Philippians 4:13, if I am alone, I'm gonna get into this little Bible. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. You might have negativity from your family members. You might have negativity from friends, but that don't matter, because let the negativity be your motivation to do and achieve your dream. Because when you get up there, they're gonna ask you, if they ask you for money, say, weren't you the one that was talking about me? Weren't you the one that was putting me down? Weren't you the one that's doing all that? So this is the end of this video. I really hope that you liked it. If you have not already subscribed, what are you doing? Hit that bell, turn on your post notifications to all, so you can get notified every time I post a video. Like the video and comment something nice in the comment section down below, and I will see y'all in my next video.